interview is for our final project in Human Resource Management. So, ma'am, can you please introduce yourself?
I'm Joanne from Online Advertising Agency.
Okay, let's proceed on our questions. Number 1, give me an example of a time you had a conflict with a team member. How did you handle it?
Nagkaroon ng conflict between our creatives sa task ownership. So, as a HR, wala akong kinampihan sa kanila, thus, na kinausap ko silang personal.
Okay. Number 2, tell me about the time you had a mistake at work. How did you resolve the problem? And what did you learn from your mistake?
Nakalimutan ko i-forward yung important clients sa creatives na nag-cause ng delay. Ayun, sorry agad. Tumulong ako sa revision.
Okay. Number 3. Describe an occasion when you had to manage your time to complete a task. How did you do it?
Final exam sa school and then may product launch kami. So, challenge talaga siya. Ang ginawa ko, I set schedule. Binilak ko yung mga hindi importanteng task and priority ko yung mga dapat talagang unahin.
Naging maayos naman lahat.
Successful talaga yung launch ng product namin.
Number 4. Describe an occasion when you failed at a task. What did you learn from it?
Na-delay ako mag-send ng pang-cost estimate sa client. And, ayun, nag-cost talaga siya ng delay sa lahat ng projects. Tapos, so, malaki impact yun sa company namin. Siyempre kasi doon nang gagaling yung income. So, ayun, kailangan talaga ma-priority yung mga tasks.
Nagalit naman po yung client.
Hindi. Yung boss ka nagalit.
Paano niyo po siya yung na-overcome ang galit?
Hindi. Siyempre, parang tinanggap ko yun na pagkakamali ko na, siyempre, alam naman sa sarili mo na pag may mali ka, parang pay your mistake, ganyan.
Number 5. Tell me about the time you took the initiative of your career. What was your motivation for doing so?
Napansin ko during finals week ng mga junior creatives ko, ay nahirapan sila balance ng workload sila. So, I suggest na rotating schedule kasi alam ko kung gaano kahirap maging student, a working student.
So, kayo rin po yung nag-train sa mga juniors. Number 6. Describe a time when you used your leadership skills to motivate your team or colleagues.
May isang project kami na sobrang tight yung schedule. So, nakikita ko nahihirapan yung mga creatives ko. So, ang ginawa ko, hinati-hati ko yun para maging mas magaan sa kanila yung workload.
Naging okay naman yung paghati.
Okay. Kasi mas napadali sila sa trabaho nila and mas naging successful.
Number 7. Describe a time when you were responsible for a task you didn't receive training on and were unsure how to complete.
Lately lang. Kasi may natanggal na workmate ko. So, ako yung pumalit sa position niya na hindi ko naman talaga gamay kasi managerial position siya. Tapos, nahirapan ako syempre. Wala akong training about that. Wala akong background. Na-handle ko lang siya kasi syempre parang as a working student, hindi mo talaga kakayanin.
Number 8. Share an example of a career goal you had. What steps did you take to achieve it?
Gusto ko ng both people-oriented and organized. So, I aim for an HR and project manager kahit silang parang.
Mahirap naman po siya pag pinagsakay.
Oo, sobrang hirap. Kasi minsan napapabayaan mo yung schooling.
Number 9. Give an example of a time when you had to make a difficult decision. How did you handle it?
That time is final sa school, tapos may important kami na client. So, kailangan talaga siya mamili kung sino yung unahan. But yung prof ko, pinagbigyan ako to take special exam.
So, last question, ma'am. Describe your process for solving problems. What steps do you take to resolve important issues at work?
Simple lang or effective. Alamin mo na yung totoong problema, not just the symptoms. Gather info, kausapin yung involved, brainstorming, and implement and follow. That's all.
Thank you po. Sobrang dami namin natutunan sa inyo. We truly appreciate you. Thank you for your time, ma'am. Thank you, Ma'am Joanne. Thank you po.